Hello students. Students, this is Ms. Priya Rathore and students, I'm with English subject. So students, as you know, in our live class we had discussed till letter F. Okay, so today we are going to do practice of letter F. For that you need to open your book number 2, and in book number 2 you have to open the page number 4141 here. Okay, so here we are going to learn the formation of capital letter F and small letter F and related exercises. Okay, so firstly, trace the letter and color the picture. We have to trace this letter and color this picture. Hope you all know that which letter is this? This is capital F. F says F. F for fish. So let's start tracing. Please focus. So as you can see, the first step is given over here. From red line to blue line, go down, make a standing line. Second step, on red line we have to make a sleeping line. On second line we have to make a third step, that again a sleeping line. This is capital letter F. Okay, F says F. So here's the picture of fish. So here I am going to take a color, this sea blue color. So I am going to color this fish with this color. You can color the fish by your own color. Okay, I'll show you after coloring. See students, I have done my coloring. Hope you also. So in the same way you have to do your coloring in a very good way. Okay, it should not be go outside. Now we have to start trace and write the letter F, which we can write the names related to letter F. So let's start tracing. Keep your pencil on red line. Then make one standing line from red line to blue line. Okay, and one sleeping line on red line, another sleeping line on second line, that is blue one. This is capital letter F. Speak and write capital letter F. Which letter ma'am is writing, students? Ma'am is writing capital letter F. Which letter is this? Capital letter F. F says F. So here we are, start from red line to blue line. One sleeping line on red line, another sleeping line on blue line. F says F. F for fish. F for fork. F for falcon. F for fire. F for father. F for finger. F for fly. F for 4. F for family. So students, in this way you have to complete page number 4141. After completing this, you have to turn your page and come on the page number 4242. Okay, now here you have to trace the letter that is small f. Okay, and take the picture that start with letter F. So let's start writing small f. Keep your pencil on red line. Take a little bit curve and make a standing line till blue line, third one here. Then make a sleeping line, small sleeping line. It should not be big. Okay, it should not be very big. It should be small. Now tell me, F for bird? No. F for frog? Yes. So put tick in the box of frog. Now come down and trace and write small letter F. So keep your pencil on red line. Take a little bit curve. Make a standing line till blue line. and sleeping line on blue line. But this sleeping line should be small. It should not be too much big. Okay, it should be small. Fine. Speak, which letter is this? It's small letter F. Which letter is this? Small letter F. Now, here we are going to write without dots. So keep a pencil here. Take a little bit curve and make one standing line. Little bit sleeping line. Small F. F for feather. F for finger. F for fork. F for 4. F for family. F for fish. F for fire. F for father. F for 4. So students, in this way you have to complete the page number 4 to 42. Okay. Now come on the page number 4343. This is the page number 4343. Here we have to do the exercise of capital F and small f. Write capital F below the flower. These are flowers. So we have to write capital F below these. And small f below the feather. So these are feathers. So we will write small f below the feathers. Now tell me, is this feather or flower? It's feather. So for feather, we are going to write small letter F. This is flower. So we will write capital letter F. For feather, we will write small f. And for flower, we will write small f. Sorry, capital F. It will be capital F. And for feather, we will write small letter F. For flower, we will write capital letter F. Now, is this feather or flower? It's feather. So we will write small f. And for flower, we will write capital F. For feather, we will write small f. Okay students, in this way you have to complete these 3 pages and submit your work on Google Classroom in PDF form. Thank you.